Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Heather.
I'm Franz.
What should we make today?
We're making Milano cookies.
Maybe.
Cause like, I'm into that. I'm good to go, you know? Sounds easy enough. In a large bowl, add 1 stick of butter, 2 sticks of butter, sugar. With a hand mixer, we're going to cream the butter until the sugar is well incorporated. Mix on medium. If medium isn't working for you, kick it up to high and you should be gravy. Now it's time to add the vanilla extract and 2 eggs to the butter mixture. We're going to continue mixing on medium until they're all well combined. Now we're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl with a spatula to make sure everything is getting mixed well. Shout out to my wife Heather for handing me one. You a real one. We're going to slowly incorporate the flour to avoid any sort of clumping. We're going to start mixing on medium, then bumping it up to high once the flour looks to be incorporated, and mix for about 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, add the salt and continue mixing with the hand mixer on medium. This only takes about another 1 to 2 minutes. Transfer the cookie dough to a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, use a Ziploc bag with the tip cut off. I guess you can try scooping it to a parchment paper lined baking sheet and then shaping it if you want. You might get some fun shapes out of it though. Pipe the cookie dough onto a parchment or silpat lined baking sheet. Pipe the cookies to 2 inches in length and about 3/4 inches wide. Make sure to leave enough room between the cookies or else they're going to fuse together like a Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. Do as I say, not as I do. Let the dough rest in the fridge for 30 minutes before baking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. If the edges aren't golden brown, add another 1 to 2 minutes. Does this count as a giant Milano cookie? I mean, they're all kind of fused together. I'd say so. While waiting for the cookies to cool, microwave your chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl for 1.5 minutes, stirring every 30 seconds until the chocolate is melted. Scoop the melted chocolate on the flat side of the cookie and let it rest for about a minute before topping it with the other half.
That's really good.
Very buttery.
Mm-hmm. It does taste like a Milano.
It'll be better though.
What?
Eating a giant one.
A giant one?
Yeah, a giant Milano cookie.
Where are we getting that?
Boy, do I have the product for you. Huzzah!
Why is there a cookie in the silverware drawer?
Why is there silverware in the cookie jar? What that? Right?
That's really good.
Told you I'd make a giant one. See you guys next time. I'm taking this with me to the bathroom.